Alright, Joms TV Media, we're on our way home. We just came from the meet of yung event ng B2FG at saka ng Broke Boys Club. Yun, congratulations to all the organizers, to all the members, the admins of the club. Congratulations sa inyo doon sa group. Of course, kala Sir Brian, kala Sir Gino. It is well attended. Abangan nyo guys, we're going to post it ito sa YouTube channel natin. And some of the pictures will be uploaded on our Facebook page. Dun sa mga na-meet natin, special mention kay Polaris. Please like and subscribe his TikTok account. Polaris, ilalagay ko na lang dito yung tatag ko na lang sila. And of course, mga na-meet natin, si Mr. Paul Walker, si Sir Ryan of West